Uninstall, 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 uninstall. Want to watch live TV on your Amazon Fire TV stick all for free? Probably more channels than you can dream of. Check out these applications here that I already have downloaded on my Fire Stick. They will get you live TV, live sports channels you want. Follow along and I'll show you how to put them on your device. So, guys, we have the Amazon Fire TV stick here. I'm going to go delete these applications first. Uninstall, 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 uninstall. So your Amazon Fire TV should look something like this. Rumble, Twitter, or Twitch, Netflix, Video, Prime Video. In order to get these awesome applications, we need to download a program called Downloader. Downloader gives us the ability to install applications that are not available on the Fire Stick or in the Amazon store. So when you click on Downloader, I already own it. You may not, so get it, download it, and install it. Throws it in the queue quick, installs it, and then prior to opening the app, let's just head out, back up once, back up again. And here, guys, I'd highly suggest you download a VPN to secure our online activity. Type in IPVanish. I already have it loaded and running in the background, so just install it, download it, use the description in below to get yourself 80% off and with 30-day money back guarantee. So IPVanish will secure your online activity, will help blackouts, will block your service provider from knowing what you're doing. All good stuff. Okay, once those are installed, head to the home screen and go all the way to your settings, the far right icon, and come down and look for My Fire TV. Click on My Fire TV with your remote, and then here I have developer options listed. And if you don't, that is okay. We can get it there for you. So highlight About, click on it, and then have Fire TV stick highlighted, and use your remote. Click it about 7 to 10 times. Now it says, congratulations, you're a developer, which gives you the ability, if we back out once, to see developer options. We'll click on developer options. Now normally I like to turn on ADB debugging, which works for some certain applications. And then under install unknown apps, highlight that and select it. And then downloader, currently it says it's off. And let's turn it on. And now downloader is able to install apps that are not available on the App Store. So we can go back to the home screen and let's look for downloader. So it'll be over here, the 3 squares plus sign icon, which is for your apps and games. The last application you've downloaded puts it right to the end here. So let's use our 3-line button on our remote and move it to the front. So now we have downloader IPVanish up here on the front, and this is our home shortcut toolbar. So let's open up downloader. Yes, allow downloader to access media files on your device. So allow. Quick start guide here. Click OK. And now here I have a short URL code for you to type in. And this gets us to our Led by the Unknown webpage. 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5. We can hit go. Now this will give us a 5-second redirect to get to the web page. While we're here, guys, share this with a friend. I know everybody would like to get free live TV on their Amazon Fire TV stick. It's so easy, so simple. 5 minutes and you're up and running. So here's the main page of the Led by the Unknown website. And right at the top here, we can just click on the downloads section. This takes us to the downloads page. And here there's a bunch of tutorials, how-tos, some demos. But we're looking for live TV, right? So let's come down. Movies and TV shows, but today, live TV. So best live TV streaming apps. We got ones on fire. Guys, this pop-up might show up here for you. Just exit out or scan the QR code. Get yourself 80% off. 30 free days. So we have this one's on fire. A quick how-to. Download. Click the download link. A simple download file. And install the application. Once that's done, click done. And we can delete the installation file. Yes, confirm to delete, and then we're done. So now we can back out one in our page, back to the downloads, and we can try the net. And same thing. And here you can do it on your, all of these you can do on an Android device or your Firestick. Some apps have sensitive for your orientation, where the Firestick's just obviously widescreen. Can't really turn a TV, right? So download the application, install it. Once it's installed, we'll hit done, and then delete the installation file, and yes, delete. Then we can go back again, and you can check out the other apps, but there's always like the one that's on fire here. They're sister and brothers. One has more than the other one, but and then the latest version to download. So down in the bottom right, click install. Done, delete, and delete. There you go, guys. Check out the other apps. Movies, TV shows, live TV, sports. The options are endless. Main events. Enjoy. Peace.